share, and save with JLC PCB's 3D Models platform. Share your 3D designs with us and receive $7 coupons. It's that simple. JLC 3D Model Sharing Platform is a perfect place to share your 3D designs and show off your excellent 3D modeling skills. For those who are new in the 3D modeling world, this platform also allows downloading or directly one-click ordering the 3D designs you like. A great opportunity for you to learn and grow. But wait, there's more. JLC PCB is offering a $7 off coupon for sharing a 3D model file. That's right, folks. The more designs you share, the more coupons you get. Sharing your 3D model is easy as pie. Head over to 3d.jlcpcb.com, enter the JLC 3D Model Sharing Platform, and upload your 3D files in any of the STL, STP, STEP, or OBJ formats. Don't forget to upload at least 2 pictures for a better presentation. The more pictures, the merrier. Give us the details of your design by adding descriptions, tags, and selecting the appropriate category, and voila, you're all set. Once you hit the Publish button, your model will be reviewed, and once approved, it'll appear on the website, and a $7 coupon will automatically be issued to your account. Easy peasy, right? So what are you waiting for? Create, share, save. Head over to 3d.jlcpcb.com, share your 3D printing projects, and get coupons.